Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can chat on eHarmony. Keep watching the video till the end. To chat on eHarmony, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in eharmony.com and make a search. Log into your account if you are not logged in and it will take you to the home page of eHarmony's account. Tap on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the displayed option, click on Discover option. Select and tap on message icon on the person's picture that you would like to chat with. On the next page, enter your message on the text box and click on an arrow icon to send your message. This is how you can chat on eHarmony quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.